Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Hello, Allison Bob Kilmer here of Allie in the Valley. So I'm gonna make you one of my all-time favorite cocktails. My husband and I love a good, strong, dirty vodka martini. That's right, like listen, we go to Musso and Frank's, which is one of our all-time favorite restaurants in Hollywood that makes a killer vodka dirty martini. But we also go to Larson's, which is in Encino and Topanga Canyon area, which makes amazing ones. So, of course, if I love it, I gotta learn how to make it. So here we go. It's really simple. We use Kettle 1. Now, if you're doing one, you do 1 jig, 2 jigs of this. But I'm doing 2 for my husband and myself, so I'm doubling it. So I'm gonna do 4 jigs. And I love this little measuring because half the time I don't measure and I make it too strong. So, but for you, if it's just 1, you do 2 of these. But since I'm doing 2 cocktails, I'm gonna do 4. Now, I'm different from other people. I don't put vermouth in mine. I don't like the taste of vermouth. And sometimes they put it in, sometimes they don't. But the key to a very good, dirty martini is the olive juice. So now I'm gonna use, if you were doing just 1 cocktail, you would just do a half a jig, but I'm doing 2. So 1, I'm making a mess. 2, all right. And then you just do a splash. I'm gonna do a jig of water to break it all. And that's what I use separate instead of vermouth. All right. Now we're gonna shake it up. I already have a lot of ice in here. And we shake it up. Let me get my glasses out of the freezer. Now I put my martini glasses in the freezer like my bartenders, of course. All right. There they go. Now, the other key to this is really about the blue cheese stuffed olives, or you can use anchovy stuffed olives. So normally, my husband and I, we get lots of blue cheese stuffed olives because we love them. But I also thought about trying it with anchovies too. So I like to change things up, but we're making a traditional one. So here's 2 blue cheese olives for that one. Boom. And normally at a restaurant, these cost about $20. So we're saving some money right here. All right. Now let me shake it up again. I don't know about you, but I am definitely a martini girl. Now I'm gonna invite my husband, Tyson, to come in and do the taste test. And he better say he likes them. No, I'm joking. Simple and easy. Dirty vodka martini. All recipes are on www.alleyinthevalley. All right, honey, come on. Taste test, let's go.
Let's check these out here.
All right, I love you, cheers.
Love you. Thank you for my delicious martini. That's good.
The bomb.
Thanks, Mama. Appreciate you. Cheers. Yep.
Love you.